On today's show, Barb and I are going to make creamy garlic mushroom pork chops. This is going to be so delicious. This recipe also includes spinach with garlic, onions, mushrooms. I have a whole bunch of spices. We'll discuss that in just a minute, so let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Hey Barb, what's the question of the day?
Do you like garlic butter? If you like garlic butter, give a thumbs up.
Today I'm going to be using these wonderful looking pork chops. These are just regular retail store cuts, but boy, they sure look good. So let's get some heat going and some olive oil. And get a brush here to get this pan all oiled up. Now to start with, I'm not actually going to cook these pork chops. I'm just going to brown them up because I'm going to put them in the oven in the mix. Also, we have our spinach. So we're going to start and cook the spinach in just a little bit while this is in the oven. Now, for spices, I have lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and also some beef broth. That is starting to get hot, so let's season these up. Some salt and pepper. Then I'll put them in the pan, salted side down. Some more salt and pepper on the other side. And then our spices. So lemon pepper, not a lot. Garlic. Lastly is the onion. Okay, let's let those brown up. Okay, that's been about 3.5 minutes. Let's turn them over. They're starting to brown a little bit. Like that. Then while those are cooking, I have my beef broth. Slow so I don't spill it. And this is about 2 minutes or so on the second side. Okay, these are brown, so I can get them out of here and in the casserole dish. I have the oven preheating to 425. I have my olive oil that I need to put back in here again. And this is going to be for the spinach. Don't put your wine in until the end, to the very, very end. And then I have the garlic butter. spinach. A wooden spoon. Kind of stir this up here to absorb the heat from this pan. And the garlic. I want to mix the garlic in so that it's not on its own. That way it won't burn. See something like a stem or something you don't like, this is a good time to get it out. What's nice is this spinach in here now has reduced the heat a little bit of the pan, plus I turned it down. I had it up fairly high sauteing that meat, so. Okay, we'll let that go for just a little bit. Let's get these in the oven. I put it down on the bottom rack to start, and now I can put away the spices for the mushrooms, the chives, the parsley, the thyme, and the rosemary, and we'll just watch this. Now I'll put in the Marsala wine. And some mushrooms. We have here all set, ready to go. I'm going to scoop this out. Just a minute. Now, using a slotted spatula, I'm going to transfer the spinach here into a warming bowl. And then I'm going to put some more olive oil in here. And then finish up these mushrooms. I'll try to put them kind of in the middle of the pan where I can reach them. A little bit of salt on them. And a little bit of pepper. Just make sure I have enough oil on them. Okay, and then this I can put on the warming burner over here. Okay, mushrooms are all warm. Just like that on top of the spinach. And we'll keep that warm. It is time to bring these out. This is hot and it was boiling. Just make sure you hold your fingers underneath it so you don't drop it. Lid off for a little bit there. And then the spinach. Turn off the warmer. Does that look good? Okay. Nice pork chop. And a spoon. A spoon full of our mushrooms and spinach. Wow. This smells great. And then our mix out of here. Put on top. Mmm. Wow, is that fantastic. It looks delicious. If you like watching cooking shows or cooking along with me and you'd like to see more of shows like this, here's a whole bunch more.